Underwater volcanoes are a fascinating geological feature. They are formed by the movement of tectonic plates. Volcanoes can create new islands over time. They release gases and minerals into the ocean. These eruptions can influence ocean currents. Marine ecosystems thrive near hydrothermal vents. Volcanic eruptions can be massive and destructive. They can also impact climate and weather patterns. Studies of underwater volcanoes help us understand Earth's geology. They are hotspots for unique species. Volcanic eruptions can release toxic substances. Exploring these volcanoes requires advanced technology. Many underwater volcanoes remain unexplored. They play a role in the carbon cycle. Some cultures have myths about underwater volcanoes. Underwater volcanoes are often linked to tsunamis. Discoveries around these volcanoes continue to surprise researchers. They can affect marine shipping routes. Monitoring underwater volcanoes is crucial for safety. Understanding underwater volcanoes helps protect marine environments. Thoughts?